All right, so here's what we're doing. Across the Sea family, we are doing a Vincent and Jonathan eating challenge. So there are 5 things that they're both gonna eat blindfolded, and the first one to guess correctly what it is wins a point. And then there's a secret 6th item that they picked out for each other. So,
let's get started with this challenge.
let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna blindfold it. We'll be back.
Yeah.
And there's that. All right, so you guys can't see anything?
No.
Okay.
You're not supposed to play with the turtles.
I'm Vincent.
All right, here we go.
Oh.
All right, now you guys both can't see, right?
No.
Okay.
Dummy.
You ready for the first challenge?
Yes.
No.
What is this stuff?
Well, you're gonna have to eat it and figure it out. The first one to guess wins.
Pineapple?
Close.
Kiwi fruit?
Kiwi fruit. Very good, Vincent. It's kiwi fruit.
Can
I was going to guess
Yeah,
that.
you can lift up your.
Oh.
All right. They both can't see again. We're gonna go with challenge number 2.
Yay.
I have 1 point.
Am I looking at you? Am I looking at the suitcase?
All right.
Okay.
Eden's gonna bring it out. Put it right in the middle. Okay. Here we go. Ready? And go.
Liquid fly.
Okay. Yes, but it's something more than a marshmallow.
Is there like bread or something?
There's bread, yeah.
A marshmallow sandwich? I don't know.
We'll give the point to Jonathan. Yeah, we'll give the point. So it's called a marshmallow tart. It's something very popular. Yeah, you can take your blindfold off. It's very popular in New Zealand. So it's a breaded marshmallow treat called a marshmallow tart.
Can I get some of it?
You can taste one here in a little bit. Yeah. There we go.
Meat?
Oh, what kind of meat?
I don't know. I thought it was tasty. Chicken?
No, not chicken.
Ham?
No, not ham.
What's that weird smell on the one?
It's not the blindfold, it's the food. So it is a meat. Can you tell me what kind of meat it is?
How is it?
Just tell me what animal it comes from. How about that?
Deer?
No.
Lamb?
No. It's an animal that's found commonly here in New Zealand.
Kiwi?
No, ew, gross. No, people don't eat kiwis. It's found in the water.
Turtle?
A turtle? No, that's terrible. People don't eat turtles.
I don't know.
There are a lot of them, and people catch them with fishing poles.
Fish?
Yes, the fish. Very good. Okay, blindfold up. So specifically, it's a salmon.
Oh, salmon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's go for the next one, guys. Yep.
Okay. All right.
What is this?
This is my finger. Don't eat that. That's not the challenge. All right, here we go. Here, I'm gonna put it in your hands. Ready?
Oh, ham cheese.
What?
Cheese.
No. You gotta eat it.
Noodles?
It is a noodle. Good job.
I didn't even eat it.
I meant noodle, okay? I meant noodle. Can it be a tie because I meant noodle?
No, you gotta say the right word too. Sorry, buddy.
Noodle.
You should have said noodle. That's okay.
I forgot.
Because my mom made it.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah, it's mine, yeah.
All right, go ahead. Here, use your hands. Right there.
Cheese?
Yeah, very good. You guys said it at the same time.
Yay, it's a tie.
It's a tie again.
I
So,
don't really like this cheese.
you don't like the cheese?
To be honest, I don't really like this cheese.
This is a special New Zealand-made cheese. It's called Kikorangi. So it's made right here in New Zealand. Some sort of a blue cheese. I'm not really sure. Okay. Yep. Now here, this is a special round. So, gross. The girls are trying the cheese. They don't like it either. So this is the round where Jonathan picked out something special for Vincent, and Vincent picked out something special for Jonathan. So they both have to guess it. All right, you guys ready for the bonus round?
Guess it. I think we already tasted mine.
Well, we'll Very good, Vincent.
Gel?
What?
Gel?
Did you say gel?
Jelly?
Jelly, very good. That's it. You guys both got your bonus points.
Can I try this?
Yeah, you can try that.
It tastes only a little.
A little bit good. Because you both tied the game, because Vincent guessed the bonus round first. Yes. So now your points are tied. So Vincent got a bonus point, an extra bonus point for guessing it first. Now we need a special tiebreaker round. So I've got something in mind. It's going to be interesting. You guys ready? All right.
What is it? Tell us.
Tiebreaker round. All right, now, since you guys are tied, the first person to guess this correctly is the one that wins the game. You ready? All right, here we go.
Cereal. Cereal?
No.
Don't look.
No looking. Yeah.
Peanut? Chocolate bar?
Peanut.
Chocolate bar? No, Roz, it's not a chocolate bar. Shh, Roz, don't say anything. Hey, come here.
Nuts?
Nope, not nuts.
Is it edible?
If you eat it, it should help you know what it is.
Ah! I don't know what it is.
You don't know? Vincent, do you have any guess?
No.
All right, you want a hint?
You add water
Yes.
and warm it up in the microwave.
But oatmeal.
Oatmeal, good job. Jonathan won. Good job. Now we're in the post-game discussion. Yep, good game. Shake hands. So, Jonathan, what was your favorite and your least favorite of all those challenges?
My least favorite was the noodles because I don't know what they would taste like.
Okay. What was your most favorite?
I kind of like the jelly that Vincent got, but yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. Vincent, what was your least favorite and your most favorite?
My least favorite was probably cheese.
Yeah, cheese is pretty gross.
Actually, it's least favorite.
Its most favorite was probably
Oh, the one that Jonathan picked out? Okay, cool. So both of you guys' favorite was the one you picked out for each other. Isn't that interesting?
and both our least favorite was cheese.
Good job, guys.
Jelly